Would you love to live a life of purpose and prosperity, to have more than enough money to live comfortably and have a really positive impact in the world? Well, I have got just the thing to help you attract more financial abundance into your life. And it is, my friends, the tarot cards. So, in this video, I'm going to reveal the most powerful 3 card tarot spreads that you can use for wealth manifestation, and then how to interpret them so you can start to experience more abundance in your life right now. So let's be real, who doesn't want more financial wealth in their life, right? Love it or hate it, money is a great enabler in our society. And in many ways, it gives us the freedom to really fulfill our dreams. Now, I know this topic can sometimes feel a little bit uncomfortable for some people, because a lot of us have learned throughout life that it's kind of greedy or wrong to really want money. Well, nothing could be further from the truth, my friends. So just remember this, money is not the final destination. It's actually what the money will enable you to do that really counts. So attracting more wealth into your life affords you these opportunities and experiences that can really enrich your existence. So think about what would be enriching for you. Is it a home library full of books? Is it further education on a topic you're really passionate about? Maybe the simple joy of shouting your best friend out for a fancy dinner to celebrate your friendship together. Now, for me, it's all about travel because I am such a keen traveler, and I can tell you it has been so fulfilling to be able to explore all of the wonders of the world with my family. So, what do all of these things have in common? Well, guess what? They all require money as the unit of exchange to receive them. So, financial abundance, whatever that looks like for you, also allows us the resources to support loved ones and contribute to causes that are close to our heart. So, at Biddy Tarot, for example, we give a percentage of our profits to support a number of not for profits here in Australia and globally. And since doing this, I've felt even more fulfilled with my work and even more proud of everything that we are able to do at Biddy Tarot. So you can see that manifesting wealth can actually grant you the freedom to live comfortably on your own terms. And it can also help you make a positive impact on the world around you. So with all of that in mind, imagine if you were free from financial worries and you were able to manifest this abundance. How much time and energy could you really put into pursuing your passions and your goals and what really lifts you up? So you can see that manifesting wealth can grant you the freedom to live comfortably on your own terms and empower you to make a positive impact on the world around you. So imagine if you were free from financial worries. How much time and energy could you put into pursuing your passions and your goals and helping the wider society? So, with that in mind, how do you feel about creating a life of purpose and prosperity? Keep this in mind as you start to set your sights on attracting more wealth into your life. So, do you want to know now what is one of the best ways to manifest more money into your life? It is by tapping into your inner wisdom and co creating with the universe. How are you going to do that? Well, with the tarot cards, of course. So, tarot is not just a fortune telling tool to predict if you're going to make more money, it's actually a powerful manifesting tool that you can use to really bring your dreams into reality. How? Well, by connecting with your inner wisdom and aligning your actions with the universal flow. So, with that in mind, let's jump into 3 powerful 3 card spreads for wealth manifestation. So, we're going to start with the abundance attraction spread. And this reading is perfect for when you need some more insight into how you can attract more wealth into your life. Now, as with all tarot readings, just make sure that you first create a sacred space for your reading. So you can light a candle, burn some incense, and really take a moment to close your eyes and breathe. And when your mind feels clear and centered, then you can open your eyes and grab your tarot deck. Now, reflecting on how to attract more abundance in your life, go ahead and shuffle your cards and pull a card for each of these 3 questions. So, number 1, what is my relationship with financial abundance? So, pull your card for that question. Number 2, what can I do to attract more abundance? And number 3 is what unexpected opportunities for prosperity are available to me? So give yourself enough time and space to really dive into each question and each card and really tapping into those deeper insights that are available to you. And if you want a quick and easy reference guide for all of the tarot card meanings, then make sure that you click on the link below. And that way you can download my free tarot card meanings printable. It is such a great resource to have on hand as you do these readings. All right, you ready to move on to the next spread? So here we go. This is the money mindset spread. Now, you can use this spread whenever you feel blocked around receiving more money, or as if money is just slipping through your fingers and you want to release some of that feeling. So, first, create your sacred space, slow down your breath, tune into your intuition, and then start shuffling the cards. And as you shuffle, ask for guidance to improve your money mindset. Then you can pull a card for each of these three questions. 1, how can I receive more money? 2, how can I keep more money? Because we know that's important. And number 3 is, how can I expand my money mindset? So, as you study these cards, you might like to journal any insights that come up for you in the imagery or the card meanings or through your intuition, and just take the time to really explore those messages that come through, because it's going to really help you realign your money mindset to not only attract more abundance, but also to become an exceptional steward of your wealth. All right, our final spread is the Prosperity Path spread. And this one is great for creating a clarity on your current financial world and also getting some exact steps on how to bring in the wealth that you desire. So you can use this spread when you are ready for a financial level up. So, first, create that atmosphere of sacredness and create that space that makes you feel really abundant, and invite your higher self to join you as you explore your best possible path to prosperity. Then, when you're in that beautiful sacred space, go ahead and shuffle your deck and then pull a card for each of these three questions. So, number 1 is, what is my current financial situation? Number 2, what is blocking me? And number 3 is, what steps can I take to manifest prosperity? So listen to the wisdom of your higher self as you really contemplate these cards. And once you've received the tarot's messages, you may like to map out your step-by-step path to prosperity on paper, because I bet your inner wisdom is going to deliver you some really aligned action steps that can really bring that wealth in. All right, so there you have it. You now have 3 powerful tarot spreads to help you manifest financial wealth and abundance in your life. And I've got to say, when you use tarot in this way, you really do empower yourself to create the life of your dreams. And as you experience the fulfillment of that life and you continue to attract more abundance, you actually begin to make a really positive impact on the world around you. It is a win-win system. And I really love how a simple 3-card tarot spread can give you so much insight and guidance when you allow yourself to really tune into the cards and into your intuition. Now, if you want that simple reference guide to help you interpret the meanings of the cards in each spread, make sure you click on the link below and you can download my free tarot card meanings reference guide. It includes meanings for every card in the deck, has a few different keywords, makes things so much easier, and you can really read any spread with that reference guide. So the best news is that it is completely free and you can access it now by clicking the link below. So I hope that you enjoy using these spreads to manifest more wealth in your life, and I will see you next time. Bye for now. Hey, if you loved this video, then make sure you check out this next video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you next time.